Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly exceptional to talk about: the heavy-duty natural granite mortar and pestle set. If you've been on the hunt for the best mortar and pestle on the market, you're in for a treat. Feast your eyes on this beauty, ladies and gentlemen. This is the heavy-duty natural granite mortar and pestle set, brought to you by Priority Chef. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's an experience, and I'm here to tell you why. First things first, let's talk about the key features that make this mortar and pestle set stand out from the rest. What sets this mortar and pestle apart is its construction. It's hand-carved from a single piece of naturally formed granite, making it a solid, chunky, and durable kitchen companion. Feel the texture of this granite, it's rough and perfect for grinding, mashing, and pounding. Whether you're making guacamole, salsa, pesto, or grinding spices, this set can handle it all with ease. And take a look at this size. It's 5.5 inches, which is ideal for most kitchen tasks. With a generous 1.5 cup capacity and a sturdy 6-inch pestle, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Now, here's a clever addition. They've included 2 non-slip countertop protectors. These ensure that your valuable countertops stay scratch-free even during intense grinding sessions. And wait, there's more. They've thrown in a BPA-free silicone garlic peeler to make peeling garlic a breeze. No more sticky, papery skins on your hands. Now that you know the features, let's talk about the benefits of having this mortar and pestle set in your kitchen. Imagine making fresh, delicious guacamole, pesto, or salsa on demand within minutes. With this mortar and pestle, you can create healthy sauces with ease, ensuring your family enjoys the freshest flavors. The natural granite texture makes grinding herbs, nuts, spices, and more an absolute delight. It releases the natural flavors and aromas effortlessly, taking your culinary creations to the next level. And here's the best part. It's not limited to just one task. You can use it for various recipes, from crushing garlic to grinding your favorite spices. It's a versatile kitchen workhorse. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what the people who've already tried this mortar and pestle set have to say. Overall satisfied. Great product with customer service to match. Good quality. Love the longer pestle. Very amazing, one of my best grabs. These are just a few of the glowing reviews from satisfied customers. In conclusion, the heavy-duty natural granite mortar and pestle set is a kitchen essential that combines durability, functionality, and versatility. It's not just the best mortar and pestle, it's a game-changer for your culinary adventures. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, make sure to check out this product. The link is in the description below for your convenience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future reviews, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be filled with flavor and fun.